Hello everyone, welcome back to Casual Physics. I'm Matt, and today I thought I'd take the opportunity to do this short update in a different location to usual. This is my kitchen, and the reason why I'm doing it here, as you might be able to tell, is because it is sunny. It's a rare event in London at this time of the year, so I thought I'd take the opportunity as it presented itself. So the quick update is about the two things that I mentioned in my last video that I was going to be thinking about. Those two things were doing experiments where I changed the temperature, ramped it up and down, and the second was experiments involving deuterium, which meant buying heavy water. So on the second point, really happy to say that I've got the heavy water thanks to you, so thank you very much to those people who donated to my GoFundMe campaign. It was not cheap, it was £1,100 roughly, and I could not have done it without your donation, so thank you very much for that. We'll come back to this shortly. The first thing that I mentioned in my last video was the changing the temperature, ramping it up and down. As I started to explore how I might do this and gain some intuition for changing the temperature, I discovered that I had developed some kind of strange error in my temperature sensor, which wasn't present before. I think I may have over-tightened something and created some kind of loose electrical connection. So I've been chasing that down for the last week and a bit, so that's been a problem that's caused me a bit of a delay. So I've been pushing ahead with this stuff. So now I've got the heavy water. The question is, how will I make the deuterium from this? As you may recall, I have a hydrogen generator already. That's using normal water, and it's splitting that water into the oxygen and the hydrogen. I could have used that same generator and instead dried it out and put the heavy water in. But instead, I decided to just get another hydrogen generator, one that will only ever see heavy water. And so I've got real clear separation between hydrogen and deuterium. And in addition, that's going to give me the ability to do deuterium experiments immediately followed by hydrogen ones. So that would be great to do these kind of contrasting and comparing experiments that I really like to do. So that's the theory. In practice though, the hydrogen generator that I've recently bought from China has of course been tested by the Chinese to make sure that it's working. How they tested it? They've tested it with normal water, which kind of makes sense. So what that means is I've got to spend some time thoroughly drying it out before I can put my heavy water in. So that gives me a few more delays, but that is the nature of experimental physics. So that's my quick update. As you can see, the light is starting to change, the clouds are coming, so this is an appropriate time to finish my video and just say that I am really hopeful that I can get my deuterium experiments underway within the next few weeks. I'm really hoping before Christmas, but if not, definitely in the new year. So stay tuned, I'll keep you updated as more things happen, and as always, thank you for your time and attention, and I'll see you again very soon for some more casual physics.